Lumin Circles are collaborative workspaces that let you upload, store, and share documents with your entire company. You can easily manage your circle by going into your circle dashboard. Across all our plans, you can invite as many people as you like into your circle, where you can annotate, e-sign, and edit documents over and over. Circles are great for your colleagues who need to work on projects together, but you can invite anyone in. Users of free Lumin plans have more limitations on document usage and features than users of paid Lumin plans. You can find a full rundown on all the plans available for your organization by visiting luminpdf.com/pricing.